Hi everyone, this is my room tour of in Hotel Elgin Mount Pandim in Pelling. This is room 101, Mount Kanchenjunga view, and you have a television, a disc. Almost every channel are present, and you will be given this complimentary coffee maker, warm or cold water as per your like, and these are some paintings, and there are it's a well lit room. You'll see. I like this room. It's properly lit. One, two, three, four, five lights, and a big mirror for you to get ready. A closet, very big closet, and the furniture is heritage, and they keep this hot water bags. Every time you use a room service, they will just, it's messed up right now, but they will keep it hot water bags, and they will put new cookies and everything they will provide you after each room service. And this is the view. Actually today it's a bit foggy, but in the morning the view was fantastic. It was very beautiful, whole Kanchenjunga range. Actually, Elgin has two views. One is when you can see Kanchenjunga, and the other is when you can see fog. So this is the foggy view, but don't worry. If it rains, the next day it will be much better view of Kanchenjunga. So in the room has heaters. This heater is like on for 24 hours a day. It does not smells a bit odd or anything. It heats the room properly. Also, the room is a wooden floor, so you don't have much problem of cold weather. And this video is being recorded in February 15th or 16th in 2021. So this is the temperature in Google shows like 0 degree to 10 degrees, but it's okay for me. Now this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. You get hot and cold water here, hot and cold water in the shower. There are two showers. One is the overhead one, the other handheld one, and they provide you a trash can. They will give you 35-liter water or 20 minutes, and it will refresh in every 20 minutes if your hot water uh, finishes. And these are the toiletries they provide. Pretty nice and decent, very nice thing. Everything is hot water, this and this, but not this. This should have a hot water too. And also one thing I noticed, that I know this is a premium hotel, but look at this. The tiles, and this doesn't look good. If you any day book a room in 101, just ask the manager to give you a proper room, or check your room before getting the keys. Okay. And this is the heritage building. So if you stay for like 4 nights, 5 nights, they'll probably give you this building. But if you stay for a shorter period of time, they'll provide you with the new building that is being made. And these are towels. This is the shoe rake. One more dustbin here. And another thing that I didn't like about this room is this: when you come to bed to sleep, and you want to sleep, and you look overhead, you see this empty pair, I don't know what to call it, AC duct or something, but it looks horrible. You pay like 70,000 rupees for a hotel room, and you can see this. This is what you see when you sleep. I don't think you could sleep very comfortably. So ask for a new room. I know I should have asked for it too, but unfortunately I didn't. I don't want you to make same mistake, because I'm telling you everything. This is the menu card. You can either dine in or go to the restaurant they have. And let me show you basic prices. I'll show you main course, like butter paneer masala and cabbage water. If you are coming here, you should try chili mushrooms for sure, and cheese sandwich. Just make that chef how you want your sandwich. You want grilled, tell him you want grilled. You want butter paneer masala spicy, you just tell him you want spicy. Okay, they'll do whatever the way you like. So this is my room tour, and we are three guests, three adults. So if I wasn't there, then this would have been not present here, and there would be a rocking chair with a dining table here for the Kanchenjunga view, and this is a very big table for study purpose and everything, and you get charging socket here. And, when the electricity is gone, heater won't work, so you have to sit in the common fireplace, and it's quite well. Everything else will work except the heater, and that's why you have to sit in the fireplace. But the hotel isn't cold, I'm telling you, because it is wooden. Everything is wooden, so you won't feel cold much in the hotel premise. And after every, you can call the reception, and you can call the restaurant from here, and direct dialing facility, and they will refresh you every time. After room service, they'll give you 3 water bottles and cup. As we are seeing 3 adults, so they have provided us with extra milk powder and coffee, and these are milk powder and normal coffee and tea bags, and you can keep your stuff here. And they put this fresh flowers, and this is a little stool, and they have a locker. They have this locker, and the shelves are very big. Okay.